In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit an image in ElevenLabs step by step so you can quickly make visual changes without needing complicated software. Whether you want to remove objects, change the background, adjust colors, or add new elements, this process is simple once you know where to click. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open ElevenLabs and look at the left sidebar. From there, click on Image and Video. This is where ElevenLabs keeps its visual creation tools, and it's the first place you need to go to start editing an image. Once you're inside, make sure you select Image Mode. This is important because you want to work with an image edit workflow, not a video tool or another feature. After choosing Image Mode, the next step is to upload the image you want to edit. You can drag and drop your file or use the Upload option, depending on how the interface appears on your screen. Choose a clear image so the tool can better understand what needs to be changed. Now comes the most important part of the process, writing your prompt. In the prompt box, type a detailed description of the changes you want ElevenLabs to make. For example, you can ask it to remove an object from the scene, replace the background with something different, modify the colors to make them brighter or softer, or even add new elements into the image. The more specific you are, the better your results will usually be. If you want a natural-looking edit, try to describe exactly what should stay the same and what should change. For example, you might say to keep the subject in the center, remove the item on the left, and change the background to a clean studio setting. That kind of instruction helps the model understand your goal more clearly. Once your prompt is ready and your image is uploaded, click Generate to apply the edits. ElevenLabs will process your request and create the updated version of your image based on the instructions you entered. After it finishes, review the result carefully. If it's not quite right, you can refine your prompt and generate again until you get the look you want. And that's it. That's how to edit an image in ElevenLabs in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.